London calling to the faraway towns. The race is declared and the drivers come down.
Looky, I'm not wounded.
You truly rocked the world with that victory! Wow!
The envious clouds are bent to dim your glory and stain your track on the bright passage through the city. Well done. Thou didst ride in triumph through the streets.
We have a special competition in tandem with today's racing event. It's called pedestrian diving. Look for competitors along the route. Of course, survivors take first prize. Awfully fine driving on the roads today. A brilliant performance by this driver. No London fog today, racing fans. It's clear and sunny. Our drivers need only be wary of the glare. Awfully fine driving on the roads today. A brilliant performance by this driver. We've a low, dark sky brooding over traffic today, an ominous start to this afternoon's commute. Give that driver a hand for unlocking the new Mini Cooper!
Frankly, I think you're a bit crackers to be lining up to race with these old loonies. I see the old current bun is high in the sky. Great day for a little spin around the city. Twilight in the great city of London. I can hear the Kinks singing Waterloo Sunset in me head as we speak. Cooper, my baby. He handled her well, I must say.
We have a special competition in tandem with today's racing event. It's called pedestrian diving. Look for competitors along the route. Of course, survivors take first prize. Charles Dickens himself could not have written the dramatic story of this victory any better.
The arrow is there as a compass to help you, but not direct you all the way, but just generally in the right direction. Absolutely brilliant driving. You're absolutely a motorhead.
Now, if you win, you'll get a big steaming plate of haggis at the end. I swear it. Well, driving! I think you're ready to take that Cooper onto the NASCAR circuit.
The new Mini Cooper, like its predecessor, was made for certain lanes and alleys of London. Congratulations to that driver for just unlocking a new paint job for that new Mini Cooper.